Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can post story Instagram in PC. So all you have to do is open your Instagram now, and if you see this, you cannot post your Instagram yet. You cannot post a story in your Instagram yet because this is the desktop version. So all you have to do is just right click on the blank space. Here, click inspect. As you can see, if you see this icon or logo, you can click and then click again dimension here. So feel free to try the iPhone, for example iPhone 14 Pro Max. Here, as you can see, this is the mobile version on your desktop. So you can zoom 100% or just 75% here. So you can post your story by tap this plus button and then select from your computer the file that you want to post, for example this one. Here you can tap next and you can edit by yourself. You can discard it, even you can discard it. So feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like and subscribe, and also click this button below. See you in the next video.